So.
Well, we had the Botany woolen mills and the Forsman woolen mills, and they were philanthropic toward the town. There were 60,000 people, one-third Jewish, and the Jews stayed together, and the Italians stayed together, and the blacks, God knows where they were, the other end of town. And there was a shul for every minor denomination of Yiddishkeit. My grandfather went to the Lubavitcher shul. My father's father went to Hevra Tillim because they were from Lithuania and they had a different attitude. And they never mixed any of these groups. And I remember at Pesach time, I always got a new suit to wear and a hat. And the kids would gather in the courtyard of the shul with our new clothes to parade around. And it was really a very nice place to grow up. We were near the Erie Railroad, 2 blocks away, and for 52 cents you could take the train to Jersey City, and then your ticket was good for a ferry ride to New York. And when you got there, it was 5 cents to take the subway, and then you were in Times Square.